Hi everyone. In the last demo, we saw how you can use career advice agent to get the review on your on your resume, and you would also see the detailed response, like what are the missing skills, what are the courses which you can take to improve your skills, and if there is any some grammar mistakes in the resume, you, and how you could improve those things. And also we saw how you can interact with with the agent using a chat option to further ask the questions and enhance your uh, feedback on your resume and your career overall, right? So in this demo, we are going to pick up a totally a different topic altogether. And in fact, this is a real kind of a um, uh, real based real world scenario where in fact I had faced it just last week, in order to get the Google Ads running. And we were, as you know, the Google Ads having a lot of policies in place, and you have to comply with all the policies. So we had a minor policy issue, and then the Google Ads was not giving me a total comprehensive report where I could use it to resolve it, or the tools, or a suggestion of the tools which they use it to check the policies. There were nothing, no suggestions or no such a detailed documentations were available. So it was uh, kind of a roadblocker for me. And since I'm the only person who is working on this project, I had to figure it out myself. So I think the Mhuts agent was really helpful for me to uh, create an agent on Google Ads, and in turn, that Google Ad agent was able to help me resolving this issue. Like it was able to understand the uh, context of the application, and then we used a error code to feed in, and then we got a response, and then I was able to get a proper tools which I have to use it to test the application before I submit the appeal. So yeah, it was really a kind of a really good journey for me, in fact, to test this tool and also evolve this tool together. Um, so from the last demo, I think there is almost 20 releases which has gone in, including a lot of security releases, and I think I'm happy to say, like, um, our website is now having a compliance of all the um, security reports intact. Probably I'll go through that in the end of this demo if there is a time. Without further ado, I will show you how I was able to resolve my Google Ads issue with using the Mhuts AI agent. Okay, so yeah, I have created a lot of chats here. So let me show you what agent which I use it, and then so in fact I use this agent to also get the keywords and all those things. In fact, uh, I'll show you the prompt which I used it to create this agent, right? So it is giving a pretty good results. Like, it gave me a campaign keywords, headlines, and then all the things. So in this particular thing, there was a policy violation, and then there was no much report available for me in the Google Ads campaign. So what I have to do is, like, I had to. Uh, it was a very difficult task to figure it out. So I asked this agent how I can resolve it, and in fact, it within no time it gave me a proper resources which I can use it to use it to resolve this issue, and then how I'll be able to use different services to um, get this issue fixed. In fact, we did not use any third-party services to get this issue resolved. In fact, there were free tools, so these free tools were good enough for me to understand what's going on, and then I was able to get the issue resolved and then also retest it. So it was in that terms it was really good, and in fact it gave me a lot of references to different services, and then different tools which is available, and it also comprehended what all the things it can go wrong. So yeah, it is a pretty detailed response which I got. So let me show you what is the prompt which I gave. So if you click on, sorry, okay. So when I click on edit agent, so it takes me to the edit pane, and then you will be able to see what is the prompt which you are given, right? So I have given a prompt here, and again, if you're not sure what prompt you have to give, probably you can use the prompt engineer agent to write your request, and then it gives you a nice prompt. So in fact, I did the same thing. So this is a prompt which I used. I think it's pretty straightforward ones, nothing special over there. So yeah, so once yeah, and here also we updated some of the examples. You can use this like to create your own prompt as well. So I think it was a pretty simple prompt, to be honest, nothing complicated. And then yeah, and then it was able to try to perform it things and then give back the results. Yes, so let me show you the report. I use the tools to get the report. So let me switch to another screen. Okay, so I had to shift the tab. So I had so the tool suggested this tool, and then I had to enter my URL, and then it did a lot of detailed scan, and then it was able to give me the results. So I think now that it is all good, I think it was showing a medium in the or a low risk one before, and then once I was able to see this report and understand what is the issue, and then we were able to resolve it. So it was really quick one. Yeah, it was good. Okay, guys, I think that's it I had for today demo, and if you have any questions or if you require any help, please leave the comment in the below or reach out to me or contact us from the email on the website. So I'll be able to help you there. Okay, thank you guys. Signing off, Mitlesh here.